Hey y'all, it's Monday night of week 5 of orientation, so last week of orientation here in Jungwon University. So this is as an addendum to my room tour video. So I was just informed that we need to start, well, I mean, I knew eventually this would happen, but I need to start packing up my room. So I wanted to show y'all what it currently looks like. I've been not the best about putting away my shoes. Have trash to take out. The state of my desks. I feel like I have paper and craft stuff everywhere. Oh, those are some of the stuff I made the other day. Clothes everywhere, no longer in nice neat piles. But I need to start kind of cleaning and packing and getting ready for departure day on Friday. Anyway, that's an update. Wish me luck, cause I'll need it. Peace out. Good evening, y'all. It is Thursday night. Tomorrow is Friday, also known as departure day. So this is my last night in my dorm at Jungwon University. Not gonna lie, I'm a little emotional tonight. Like, I didn't think I'd be this attached to my room, but like, I've lived here for 5 weeks now. But I want to show you, I got everything packed up. Oh, I should probably take that off. But anyway, I'm all packed up and ready to go. I got my 3 suitcases. Thankfully, there's not a 50-pound limit this time. We could go all the way up to 60 pounds. Mine are not that heavy, but they are pretty stuffed. I have my 2 bags that I'll keep with me tomorrow. And then I have the outfit I'm wearing tomorrow and my pajamas, and then my bedding. Don't worry, Koya's coming too, but he still is staying there for the night. But yeah, everything's all packed up and ready to go. Yeah, so this is the last time you'll be seeing this dorm. Last time I'll be sleeping in that bed. Cannot wait to be done with that bed. I hope my next one is way comfier, because I'm kind of over that one. But anyway, peace out, Jungwon.